So what is a section in web development? A section is an HTML element used to group related content together within a web page. It helps in organizing content logically, improving readability, and enhancing SEO or search engine optimization. What are rows in web development? Rows are horizontal containers used to structure and align content on a web page. In order for us to know exactly, let's go back to the boulder. So this is a section, and every section needs a row or columns. And where you are going to find them, first of all, is in your sections. This is your section, in other words, this part here. And the rows or columns are these ones here. You get 1 column, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 columns. Okay, now every column needs an element. So you're getting elements, headlines, subheadlines, paragraphs, bullets, forms, or whatever is available here. And this is the stuff that you're going to use throughout your website building career. You will need all of these things. Next, we are looking at global sections. What are global sections? Global sections are, let's look here, this here is a global section. Now, there's various things you can do here. You can clone it. So you have 2. You can delete it, or you can save it. Now, we call this, say, plumbing header, and we add it to our global section. Now, whatever is in here, while it is in your global section, any changes you make affects every page where this section is incorporated. However, if you change this, say you save it, but instead of saving it in the global, you go save it as a template or a sectional template, then whatever changes you make is only on that specific page. Okay, so let's go back to the boulder and look at some more elements. Okay, next up, we are looking at widget marketplace. Now you get installed apps that you can install from your settings, and this is things that you can use throughout your website. Then we look at pre-built sections. Now, pre-built sections are a lot. Okay, so we have an about section, call to actions, FAQs. All these things are things that you can use in your website. For who is this? I'm sure you have seen these around. Guarantee and awards. So maybe you want to give a guarantee or you want to give an award to someone. This is what you use. Lists at a pre-built section. Does this sound familiar? I'm sure you have seen these around as well. Mega menu headers. This is what you would normally use just above your normal header. Like you will use it above this header here. Partners. Sure, when you have seen some websites where it show you who their partners are, where they're doing their promotions from, all those kinds of things. Plan selection, choose your plan. So depending on what you need, maybe you have a site where you are selling something and you have different price plans. This is what you will use. Product, perfect product offer stack, depends on what you need, what you use. This is where you will go. Team, for your team members. Testimonials, for when you have reviews. And welcome, main headline for sales, message, and customer avatar. Let's move on to buttons. There are all kinds of buttons here. You can make use of any of these buttons, or you can build your own button. Social media icons. A lot of people are struggling with this, wondering where they can get social media icons. since not all the templates have this incorporated. Progress bar and images are this. Now, this is not the only images. Let's say you go on your site and maybe you want for plumbing or for electrical or whatever sense you want to use a new image. So you click on an image here and you go down to image options, click on the option, go to my media, and you will see backgrounds, Unsplash, Pixabay. So let's go to Unsplash and we put in here plumbing, ing, and it will give you images of plumbing. Or let's go to electrical and it will give you some images for electrical. Whichever images you are searching for, that is where you will find them. Okay,